James Evans III, United States Marine Corps. 2020, I came in for a dental cleaning. At that time, Dr. Smith, she walked into the room and said, "Evans, you need a crown." And today I've returned.
My name is Dr. Casey Bloom, and I am the acting program director here in the dental clinic. The system that we just brought on board, we were really excited to have it here. It's been a long time in the making, and it is called the CEREC Prime Scan and the Prime Mill.
They're using cutting-edge technology now where they can go in and look at the tooth, the dimensions of the tooth, and the fitting of the tooth or the crown itself. And I'm leaving today with a crown, so in one day I've had the entire process, which normally takes about 6 to 8 weeks to do. It's been done in one day. Amazing. I was somewhat concerned that I would be feeling some discomfort today, but it has been a wonderful experience, no discomfort, and I am very, very fortunate and I'm pleased with the services today at the Birmingham VA, as always.